Hey guys, welcome to Code Life. My name is Ali Roshan. I'm a mean stack developer. Today I'm going to show you how to send push notifications from your server to your Android app by using Google GCM. There are few steps. Step number one is to install this plugin, and the second step is to import one signals class from Ionic Native. Third step is we will implement this code. I copied this code from one signals documentation, and here is the code. Our fourth step is create an app on onesignal.com. Fifth step is get a server API from good developers. And the last step is, of course, testing. Okay, so let's just start. It is my empty project here. I already opened it. So from our first step, what we need to do here, we are going to import this plugin. We are going to install this plugin. You need to go to your project, root directory, shift left click, open the command prompt, paste this code. I already installed this plugin, so it will say that you have already installed, just like this. So I'm skipping this step. So now I'm going to use second step, which is our import one signals class from Ionic Native. So I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to paste it in my project like this. So we have just completed our second step. Now we are going towards third step. So I'm going to paste my code, this code which I copied from one signals documentation from here to this. So I'm going to paste it here in the constructor, right? So we have completed our third step. Now in this step, what we need here, we need our app ID. This one is our app ID, and we need our Google's project number. Okay, so our fourth step is create an app on onesignal.com. So go to your URL, open your browser and go to your URL like this, onesignal.com/apps. Hit enter. Okay, create new project here. Type any name. I'm going to write test. Okay, test notification is the name of my project. So create it. Okay, I'm going to use a Google Android GSM. So click it, click next. So it required Google Server API key, right? So we need to enter this server API key. So in order to get this API key, what we need to do, we need to log on to the Google developers account. So I already go log on to this account. So go to this URL and create your own app like I'm doing here. I'm going to write any name. You need to write any name. So I'm writing here test notification, and we need to tell the Android package. So we don't have any Android package here because I'm using Ionic. So I'm going to write any name, test.test. You can write anything over here. Okay, now what we need to do, continue to choose and configure services, right? So click on it. It will take few seconds or a minute. Yeah, here we go. Enable Google Cloud Messaging. Click on it. Yeah, here it is. It is my server API key. Copy this server API key and go to your OneSignals account and paste this API key to here like this and save it. Okay, we are using Ionic, Cordova and PhoneGap. So so you need to click on it and click next. Okay, so here is your app ID which is required in our project. So copy this app ID like this, Control C, go to your project on Visual Code and remove this previous ID and paste it here. So we have completed our project here. Now what we need to do, we complete our all steps. What we did, we just did installed Ionic plugin. We imported our class, implement this code. We successfully created our account on onesignal.com. Then we get our server API key from Go developers. Now the last step is we are going to test it. So run this project. First save it like this, and go to your root folder. Ionic, run, Android. Okay. So it will take a few minutes. So after running this this code, it will automatically send a request to our server, to onesignals.com server, and it will automatically subscribe to this account. So after running this app to our Android phone, let's see what's going to happen here. It is running, and I will go and open my phone here. Yeah, it is my phone here, right? I need to open it. Here our app is running. Let's test whether it's working or not. So I'm going to OneSignal's interface. Now here I'm going to new message. Okay. So now I'm going to write something over here. So I'm going to write a code live Ali Roshan here, my name. Okay, so type anything over here. I'm writing the same thing which I wrote above. Copy it and just paste it here. Okay, so scroll it down. Okay, I'll show you my screen, Android screen, which is on the left, which is on the right corner of my screen. And okay, now click on preview. Okay, so now we'll press the send button like this. I'll click on this. So as you can see that that we received the notification over here like this, code live Ali Roshan here. If I close this notification, and I'm going to close my app as well. Okay, and now I'm going to send my push notification again, like your message, write something like this, something this. So the same thing is here again, preview, and hit send. So you can see that I have received my notification like this, like here. Yeah, here it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure that you guys will definitely like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and do comment something for my appreciation. Thank you so much. Bye.